Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Matplotlib, our twin axes, but we're going to add some color now. So okay, we're really starting to get some information, but it is still muddy. So we need to learn how to add some color in here, and there's also a way to kind of synchronize the colors between the graph and the axes that they're on. So alright, that's why it's so important that we're hitting that notification bell along with that subscribe button, so you're not missing out on any of these videos that we build one upon the other. We do bite-size little micro videos. Stole all those from you guys. Thank you very much. Love the suggestions. You guys are awesome. Okay, so let's bring in the color. We're gonna learn from Matplotlib import colors, because we've seen this video. We know that Matplotlib has colors. So let's bring this in and take a peek at it. Okay, so dir colors, there they are, and it's C names. Oh wait, there it is. Boom. So dir colors C names. If you spell it right, oh my gosh. I forgot it's this. There we go. So it is a dictionary. So lo and behold, color C names red, so you can see that. Colors, not color. There we go. Aha. So let's do red and green. Red for showings and green for the actual sales. So it is literally this simple. Let's go ahead and knock it out. And we're going to be changing the y-axes. So before we get to this one, and color equals colors.cnames, call the dictionary, do green, close that out, and then for showings, oops, we're getting ahead of ourselves. Color, call color, then Y label, color, call color, and down here we're going to change this to red. We're going to cheat, we're going to copy, we're going to paste, we're going to do red. This is a dictionary, we don't have to know anything, we just see our colors. We literally call the key as the color. Color equals color, and then our Y label, color equals color, and we save, run, boom. So now if we look here, now this starts to tell a story. So there's some similarities here. We're here in August that basically we sold it was a closer ratio to showings than sales, so we needed to just up our showings here in August and our sales would go through the roof, where down here it was very, very similar, and this was upside down too. So this is why these techniques are very important to have, because yes, you might have this information, but if you don't start looking at correlating and seeing similarities and how they affect each other, you're not going to know the whole story. So these are just a handful of tools, very simple, very out of the box, very nice ways for you to not have to learn anything else. Everything you want to do, you can do with Python. So this is just one of the hundreds of examples of why I love this so much. So real quick video today. Appreciate it, guys. As always, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below and I'll get right to them. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.